Yes, the last picture that you should have is the one that Claudia took for us.
Donc là, on s'en va. Voilà, après on a encore 5 heures de route. Et on retourne à Guadalajara.
I used to dream, used to believe that there was one and only out in the world for me. Even though it's dark, I still feel the spark.
Don't record the cars, mess.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
You wanna say something to me?
Tu es ma préférée. De la pipe. De la pipe. No, don't say it.
No aguanta otro poquito más.
Merci. Wow.
I'm always like this, right? This is like, I'm always on this position.
Every time I'm filming you, you're like lying on something.
You should... Oh.
No. Everything's gonna be alright.
No.
Oh, you're tired. Donc là, on est vendredi. Il est midi. Et on va faire le petit déj. Et du coup, je vais cuisiner.
Oh no, but I haven't done my hair.
Oh yeah.
Cold? Like the one that I gave you?
In Puerto Vallarta, you made me one.
You liked it?
Yeah.
I don't like the hot one because it's like, oh, no.
Woo.
Tell them what we're going to do today. We're gonna cook, then we are going to Punta Sur, then we're going for a Starbucks, then we get back here and we will have maybe Japanese food will be nice. No? Yes.
He kissed me.
Ah, it was supposed to be a secret.
It's not a secret for anyone. That's my. I can see. I'm too tiny. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's gonna make me an iced coffee.
Ah, yes. Yes. No.
Look at my abs.
They look great.
Woo.
I'm gonna give you a coffee here because I couldn't find another glass.
Okay.
Always missing. I can't find anything, never. You know?
Oui.
It's stressful. You know? You do this, it's full milk. And you do just one stevia. And we're gonna do this. And this takes a long time. Give me the Corona now. Delta version. Si es mucho, ya sabes.
Back to find you, South Carolina. Heard from the Golden Gate you'd come back in style. House by the ocean, beating my heart again. Starting a family on nickels and dimes sometimes. All those yellow lines winding through the pines drop you in the ocean like a stone. Now your body's
My grandparent, my aunt's grandparent, he was French.
Aunt, grandparent. I don't think. I
Yeah.
think it's not too close to you.
No, it's not too close. And
Don't
it's our
worry,
time.
if you marry me, you will be French again.
Yes.
Come in France.
Look, what do you call that?
In French, manège. But this one is more like a carousel.
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 Because we can take the main road, the main avenue. What do we think?
It depends on the cops now.
Yes.
It's up to you.
Yeah, because this is not the cute part. We are in the back, so it's not cute to record. Here you gotta put the... Nah.
I really love your hair like that.
Thanks. It's almost the same, or is it the way you like?
It's on your forehead. I
Yeah.
can fall in love with you like that. What's the address?
Oh shit! I was going to call her that. Shit.
Are you serious? On doit retourner chez lui, mais il connaît même pas son adresse, miskin.
It's a new house. We are going to. Okay, no, it's okay.
Et c'est mon téléphone parce qu'il a pas internet. C'est moi qui t'ai donné
It's
internet.
dead. I already finished my data. Should I go that way? You gotta tell me.
Wait, okay.
What the hell with this dude? You don't do that.
Tournez à gauche sur Camino Real de Colima.
C'est tiré.
Your map.
My muse.
Ah oui.
Bobo. Cherry Coco.
Fais-moi.
I'm not like happy.
Oh merde.
This is
Oh
not.
merde. It's locked.
Can you tell me if that's a hole?
Straight. No, it's just rain in like a lake. Ernest, il a pas ses lunettes, il les a perdues à Puerto Vallarta. Et du coup, là, il conduit sous la pluie, sans lunettes et sans permis de conduire.
What the hell?
Et on essaie de trouver un chemin pour rentrer. It's straight away, like continue.
No, we can keep.
I'm sorry, but this is the way.
I'm gonna change. Well, there's no other option.
Mexico.
No, this is not Mexico. You're gonna make a bad appearance of Mexico. No, this is not Mexico. This is like a country part of.
Ah, a road. Finally.
Yeah?
It looks like, yeah.
Oh my god, no. This is so bad. From 7-Eleven, Walmart.
Tell us what you want to do.
I want to buy something.
Là, en fait, on essaye de commander McDo.
Also Starbucks.
Et en fait, on a essayé sur Uber Eats et genre, il y a pas mal. Du coup, là, on a téléchargé Rappi, genre, c'est une application de chez eux, là. Il est en train de regarder s'il y a McDo.
Oh, let's try burgers. Yes. This one is Toto. Do you want a jalapeno burger? Yeah, let's try Carl's Jr.'s, right?
I love your smell.
They smell good.
Oui.
I shower. They have Subway. Which one do you prefer, the
I-
burger or the Subway?
I don't care.
You gotta choose two.
I love everything.
Burgers, finally.
Let's eat and watch the movie.
Yes.
Hereditary.
Some Coke. Oh, hi. Record the scenery. You like it?
Oui.
I can record you like we can go somewhere nice. Tu es d'accord?
Tu es d'accord.
Tu es d'accord?
D'accord.
That's what I said.
No, you say d'accord. Don't pronounce the D.
D'accord. What is happening? Do you see? Well, actually, in the
Actually, no.
Que no te preocupes, ya estamos aquí llegando a la casa.
No se va a ir a resbalar aquí.
Terrible.
C'est terrible.
C'est terrible.
Donc là, c'est le début des surprises. Donc là, j'ai prévu 3 jours avec des trucs genre pour et avec Ernesto. Donc là, on attend le Uber et on va aller à la première activité. Je vais pas prendre mon appareil photo parce que je sais pas après où est-ce qu'on va poser les affaires pendant l'activité. Donc j'ai pas trop envie de le prendre. On va faire un escape game. On a fait l'escape game et on a perdu.
Oui.
Can you tell the others how do you find the escape game? This was the first time you did it.
It was fun. A little stressful, but that's it.
Du coup, on en refait un mercredi.
Très difficile.
Et là, du coup, c'est une partie de la surprise. Donc la première partie de la surprise, c'était l'escape game. Là, on va faire les courses parce qu'on va acheter à manger. Parce qu'après, on va partir à côté de Chapala, dans le Airbnb. C'est à 1h20 d'ici à peu près. Et voilà, après, on va revenir, on va faire la valise. Et après, on va prendre un Uber pour partir. D'ailleurs, le Uber, genre, on a pris un Uber d'ici jusqu'au centre de Guadalajara. Ça nous a mis genre 30 minutes de Uber. J'ai payé 4 €. 4 €.
You don't see like small tequilas?
Non. Là, on va au Airbnb, oui.
Oui.
Oui. Je suis contente, moi.
Give me that sunshine.